we are discussing list of low competition gigs on Fiverr. These gigs that I'll be mentioning are low competitive, but that doesn't mean they sell more than even high competitive gigs. So sometimes you don't really have to look for low competitive gigs to do well on Fiverr. You just have to make sure you rank your gig to the top. But most people still ask for low competitive niches that they can actually create gig on, so that they can have that high chances of being, seen easily. So, and I'll be mentioning some of the gigs you can actually create. And I'd like to note, most video related gigs are low competitive on Fiverr. And I think this is because, videos are heavy files. And if you are from countries with poor network coverage, you might not really be able to offer these gigs. So that's why some people don't really offer it, and you have to have a lot of data, to upload. You have to do a lot of heavy uploads. Your laptop too, you have to have enough RAM to take it. So, and I can say animated explainers, video ad and commercials, intro and extra videos, social media videos, music videos, music videos too, NFT animation, filmed video production. Those ones are actually nice low competitive gigs you can feature, you can create. And another example is actually hard copy. So this one is not on that video, so you can just create hard copy. Hard copy are still hot gigs and they are low competitive, and that involves just highlighting the benefit of a product. So that is the benefit that someone like a customer, a prospective customer, will benefit from using a particular product. So I think that's what hard copy is most about. And it's like it's in the writing niche. And white paper, it is just like showing in-depth report or guide about specific topic and problem around a specific topic. So that's white paper. That's what it's all about. And you can use white paper to explain a lot of topics. And that is that. And legal writing too. Legal writing, it is a low competition gig. And email copy. And email copy is more like a sales copy in most cases. So they do it for maybe to close a sales or to a form of advertisement. So email copy is also hot and it is low competitive. And case study too, but it's low competitive, but it is not in high demand like that. But it is something you can still just check. Social media copy. So social media copy, it is highly needed because everybody has social media accounts and sometimes they don't even know what to post. So you can just tell them that, okay, for 1 month, like 30 days that we have in a month, so you can provide all the content, the social media copy that will be posted on their social media handles. And sometimes you can even render the design, the graphics that will be posted along with it. So these are in low competition and you can just check them out. I think these help, and if you find this very helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.